Life is beautiful, but when we're going through a crisis and we're hit with a really tough situation, it's hard enough thinking that we can ever get through it, just survive it, let alone ever be happy again. There are always silver linings to what we perceive as negative events or tragedies. There are unhealthy habits that can be let go of. There are relationships that can be strengthened. There's the ability to realize one's own inner strength. There are bad habits that can be released, even one's purpose in life, as in my case. Postpartum depression can happen to anyone. 15 to 20% of all new mothers have something more severe than the very normal baby blues. It happens regardless of socioeconomic level, regardless of race, of culture. The transcultural studies we have are excellent, and it's hitting women at about the same rate. I have the best job on earth because I get to see women recover, and mommies really getting to enjoy their young children as fast as possible. You know, had somebody told me back when I was suffering in the 80s with 2 suicidal depressions that it wasn't all my fault and I wasn't a terrible mom, I just needed some help, and with proper help I would recover, you know, my life would have been very different. Of course, I don't regret anything. I needed to learn how it was to suffer without help so I could do what I do today. Those of us in the field are really thrilled that postpartum depression has been recognized. This public health issue has been recognized at the federal level, and that legislation is being passed. We are definitely going in the right direction. I have definitely seen an interest in natural healing. So when women contact me, they almost always will say, you know, Dr. Shosh, I'm willing to take psychiatric medication if I absolutely need it, but can you please try to help me stay off the meds if possible? Is there anything natural? Is there any kind of alternative treatment? As a psychologist, I'm particularly interested in how omega-3 fish oil can help in mental health, and we are learning so much about that, and the research is so clear at this point. We know that omega-3 fish oil is used not only as a treatment for depression, but also as a prevention for depression.